Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Siteground for email marketing in 2025. Siteground makes it simple to manage campaigns thanks to its clean design and integration with leading providers. To begin, go to the Siteground website. You can either search for it or use a direct link. On the homepage, you'll notice the login button in the top right corner, making it easy to access your account. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. New users can quickly sign up by following the on-screen instructions. Once inside, you'll land on the SiteGround dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your hosting and service tools. From here, head over to the Services tab. This is where you'll find email marketing along with other features. SiteGround partners with top email marketing providers so you get a reliable and user-friendly experience. To start your first campaign, click on the Get Started button. The setup process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, guiding you step by step so you don't feel overwhelmed. Next, you'll arrive at the email marketing dashboard. This is your control center where you can customize emails, automate campaigns, and manage your contact lists. Dedicated customer support is also available if you need help at any point. With everything set up, you're ready to build powerful email marketing strategies that strengthen audience engagement and support your business growth. And that's how to use SiteGround for email marketing in 2025. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.